Take two. All right. To get rid of your hiccups, you take your average cup. Make sure that the rim of the cup fits the inside of your mouth right here. So you take your chin and you put it down like this, bottom lip being on the cup, and you bend the cup forward, not your body. Bend the
Because it
cup
sounds like
forward.
we're actually, this customer, we're making a video of how you get rid of hiccups right now.
And you sip like that, and the water will come up. You might drool a little out of the front, so I suggest to do out of a sink. Totally normal. Other than that, there are no side effects except getting rid of your hiccups. Thank you.